What is the best commercial roofing software in 2026? FieldCamp is my overall pick for a growing contractor that needs one configurable system for buildings, inspections, service, projects, crews, purchasing, costs, and invoices. Dataforma wins for a pre-built commercial roofing service and roof history workflow. AccuLynx wins for roofing native production. Procore wins for large construction project controls. The right answer depends on whether your revenue is dominated by service, re-roof production, or large capital projects. What should commercial roofing software manage? It should connect the accounts, contacts, buildings, roof sections, inspections, deficiency, proposals, service tickets, warranties, projects, crews, material, costs, and billing. Residential roofing software often centers on one property and one replacement. Commercial contractors must preserve years of history while moving between emergency service, maintenance, repair, proposal, re-roof projects, and sometimes new construction. Which commercial roofing software is best for service and maintenance? Dataforma is the specialist pick. Its current roofing pages describe customer records, appointments, project progress, scheduling, service dispatch, workforce management, documents, reporting, invoicing, and mobile access. Its support material also exposes rooftop maintenance, deficiency plotting, service tickets, production jobs, AIA billing topics. For a contractor whose advantage is documenting a portfolio and turning inspections into recurring service, Dataforma is the first specialist I would demo. FieldCamp covers the same operating outcome in a more configurable way. Custom objects can represent a building, roof section, asset, inspection, deficiency, service agreement, warranty, or capital project, and relate those records to clients, contacts, jobs, visits, estimates, invoices, documents, and team members. Forms can standardize inspections, approved proposals can become jobs, purchase orders, schedules, routes, labor, materials, expenses, and invoices can stay connected. Dataforma wins for pre-built commercial roofing conventions. FieldCamp wins when your model must adapt across roof service and other field operations. Which commercial roofing software is best for production? AccuLynx is strongest when the company wants roofing-specific job files, measurements, estimates, supplier orders, a production calendar, labor management, crew scheduling, job costing, and restoration workflows. Its product is organized around moving sold roofing work through production. If most of your revenue comes from re-roof projects and your team wants the process already shaped around roofing, AccuLynx deserves the first production demo. FieldCamp is stronger when production shares people, vehicles, scales, and customer records with service work. Its scheduling tools can suggest qualified people and time lots using skills, availability, travel, workload, capacity, and customer windows, with a human confirming the assignment. Route optimization can improve the stop order for scheduled inspection and service days. That matters when a commercial roofer is balancing leak calls, inspections, warranty work, repairs, and multi-day projects instead of managing one production calendar. Which commercial roofing software is best for large construction projects? Procore is the first system I would evaluate for formal construction control across drawing, requests for information, submittals, contracts, change management, daily logs, and collaboration with general contractors and owners. That is a different buying lane from a field service dispatch. If you run complex new construction packages with many external stakeholders, FieldCamp or a roofing CRM may remain the service and customer system, while Procore manages the construction project. Does commercial roofing software need roof measurement integrations? Yes, but the integration must do more than attach a PDF. FieldCamp supports roof measurement integrations through its API, signed webhooks, custom objects, and enterprise custom integrations. Proof quantities can move into the building or roof record, estimate, proposal, job, purchase order, schedule, cost tracking, and invoice. That gives the estimator the same measurement to proposal outcome available in roofing specialists, then carries the data into service and product operation. For commercial roof inspections, choose a system that can model each roof section, enforce the inspection form, locate and classify deficiencies, store photos and documents, produce a customer-ready recommendation, and reopen that history on the next visit. Dataforma has the most obvious pre-built commercial roofing lane here. FieldCamp is the strongest configurable lane because you can define the records, relationships, forms, statuses, and workflows around your exact inspection and approval process. How should a commercial roofer choose software? Run 3 demonstrations. First, take an emergency leak from request to invoice. Second, turn a multi-roof inspection into prioritized repair options. Third, Run a capital re-roof from takeoff through purchase orders, crews, change, actual cost, and closeout. Include one customer with several buildings and several contacts. The system must preserve both the account history and the individual roof history. Here's my final verdict. Choose Dataforma for pre-built commercial roof service and portfolio history. Choose AccuLynx for roofing native production. Choose Procore for formal large project controls. Choose FieldCamp when you need measurement to proposal continuity plus configurable buildings, inspections, service, projects, intelligent scheduling, purchasing, job costing, and invoices in one operating system. For a growing commercial contractor that refuses to split those workflows across disconnected tools, FieldCamp is my overall winner. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.